Hey there, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can install XAMPP on your PC. Very simple, just go to the browser and type XAMPP, search it, and you have to go to the www.apachefriends.org. Click here. Now you can click here download, and this is the download page. From here you can select any operating system. Currently I'm using Mac, so I'm going to select this one. So this is the latest version, so I'll go with the latest version. Okay, click here download, then it will download the file. Okay, if you're from Windows, then you have to actually go with the first one and then download the latest version, and after that you just have to double click on it and then you have to install it. Very simple. And no matter where you have installed it, I mean, if you're from Windows, then there will be C drive, D drive, or any other drive. You just have to install any specific drive and then you have to go there. So in macOS we have installed it in applications, and that is why we are getting here XAMPP folder. So if you are from Windows and if you have installed it in C drive, you will find a folder called XAMPP. If you install it in D drive, there will be also a folder called XAMPP. Go inside the folder and go inside the htdocs, and here you can create any kind of project. Basically we use XAMPP for especially for the PHP or Laravel project, and for the database, MySQL database. Okay, so if you want to get the XAMPP control panel, so what you have to do, you have to go for the application section. But let's just tell me, that is, if you want to actually open XAMPP control panel from Windows, what you have to do, you have to actually press Windows key from your keyboard. Okay, and then type XAMPP control panel. Okay, then you will come you will get the XAMPP control panel. But in macOS you have to go for the application at first and then XAMPP folder. Go inside of it, and here we have manager OSX. So double click on the file and you just have to give the login password, and this is the control panel. Now from here you can actually start which server you need, just start here. Okay, that's it guys. I have shown you how you can actually install XAMPP for your PC. That's all. Thank you so much for watching this video.